Information. MBA entrance procedure. Most B schools have the eligibility criterion that you must be in your final year of graduation and have a minimum of 50% marks in your graduation and standard 12. There are two stages to be cleared. 1. Written test. 2. Group discussion and interview. In addition to the performance in these two stages, significant weightage is given to candidates' academic record and more than 6 months of full-time work experience. Admission advertisements of leading B schools appear in the period of August to December, inviting applications. The process starts with a candidate applying for the MBA entrance test. The application form primarily seeks to collect data and on the background of the candidate in terms of academics, work experience, interests and pursuits, achievements, domicile. Besides, some questions on the future plans of the candidate and how an MBA program fits into his or her plans. An assessment of a candidate's strengths and weaknesses are generally asked. This source of formal data forms the preliminary basis for all subsequent interactions, specifically the personal interview. Therefore, candidates are advised to fill up the application forms carefully and retain copies for any future reference. Thereafter, a hall ticket is issued to the candidate for the return test. The first hurdle for an aspirant is the entrance test. Most of the top B schools go through the Common Admission Test (CAT), which unarguably is the most important exam as it gives you direct entry to the IIMs and many other institutes. But there are many institutes which have their own written tests. The entrance test duration and the total number of questions are in the range of 120 to 180 minutes and 150 to 250 questions respectively. The entrance tests are essentially designed with a view to objectively measure the aptitude of the candidate and the general skills as expected of a graduate. All this under severe time stress. The entrance tests are of multiple choice type where each question is followed by 4 or 5 options and the candidate has to choose the best option. Since the MBA program is open to graduates of any discipline, to eliminate any bias arising out of a candidate's academic background, the difficulty level of the entrance test is pegged at class 10 to class 11 standard. The entrance test broadly have the following sections: verbal ability, questions based on antonyms, synonyms, English usage, sentence sequencing, sentence completion, logical arrangements and arguments, etc. Reading comprehension, questions based on passages. Quantitative ability, number systems, HCF and LCM, ratio and proportion, percentages, profit and loss, interest, time work, time distance, clocks, calendars, set theory, quadratics, remainder theorem, functions, permutations, probability, trigonometry, etc. Data interpretation, charts and tables, graphs and functions based problems. Analytical ability, analogies, logical clustering, mathematical logic, critical reasoning, analytic blocks, etc. General awareness, to test a candidate's knowledge of the environment. Based on the business school, the entrance test can have some or all of the above sections. The number of questions per section. The marks assigned for a correct answer in each section may vary. More often than not, the pattern of the entrance test varies every year. The tests are designed in such a manner that no candidate would be able to solve all the questions correctly in the given time. Accuracy and speed of solving are extremely important in the entrance test, as is the ability to handle the concurrent pressure. The objective of a candidate should be to maximize his or her overall performance with reasonably good performance in each section. Since each question attempts to measure specific skills of a candidate, no section can be left unattempted. Further, a candidate may have to score minimum mark in each section to be considered for overall ranking. While intelligent guessing is encouraged, arbitrary guessing is penalized by way of negative marks. 1/4 to 1/3 mark per incorrect answer. Group discussion and interview. If one succeeds to clear the written test cut-off marks, a call letter is issued to the candidate with instructions for the next stage. Group discussion and personal interview. The details of venue, time, and any modalities are provided. While some business schools use a group discussion in the selection process, some don't. For every seat on offer, about 6 to 12 candidates are invited for this phase of the selection process. A group discussion is the first instance where the candidate meets the faculty of the business school. In a group discussion, a group of 8 to 20 candidates assemble and discuss on the topic or case given to them by the faculty. Usually, group discussions last for about 15 to 25 minutes. In the group discussion, the candidate's ability is assessed in terms of his or her behavior in a group of people, not necessarily familiar communication skills, contribution of ideas, facilitating a discussion, the range and depth of his or her knowledge on topics of general interest. Personal interview. In the personal interview, which normally follows a GD, apart from the validation of the information provided by the candidate in the application form, a candidate's suitability for the MBA program is assessed. The personal interview is the forum where your personality is assessed. This usually involves in-depth questioning techniques to get the best out of you. This sometimes takes the form of a group interview wherein 3 to 6 candidates are interviewed simultaneously. The interview panel usually consists of a psychoanalyst who keeps monitoring your body language. The panel is out to assess your personality, career objective clarity, communication, subject knowledge, and general awareness. It is true that the candidates are tested on the above parameters in a GD, but the fact remains that they have to be tested individually on those parameters once again to assess the consistency factor. Though there are differing views about the parameters employed among many institutes, but some generally tested are personal disposition, career objective, knowledge in subjects, general awareness, communication skills.